to design product-based binary plan. Overview of the binary MLM plan. In a binary MLM plan, each distributor recruits two new members, forming two legs, a left and a right. Income is based on the sales and recruitment achievements within these two legs. The goal is to encourage product sales and team growth, ensuring active participation and long-term viability. Product selection. High-demand products. Choose products with proven market demand. This could range from health supplements to beauty products or tech gadgets, whatever fits your brand but ensures repeat sales. Quality and pricing. Ensure products are high quality and competitively priced within the market to attract and retain customers. Commission structure. Sales commissions. Direct sales commission. Distributors earn a commission of 15% on personal sales. This encourages continuous effort in direct selling. Team commissions. Binary bonus, volume-based. Distributors receive a 10% commission on the sales volume generated by their weaker leg. This is calculated weekly to motivate consistent team effort and help balance team growth. Matching bonus. A matching bonus of 10% on the binary bonuses earned by direct recruits up to 3 levels deep. This motivates leaders to support their downlines effectively. Leadership and rank advancement bonuses. Achievement bonuses. Distributors who reach new ranks based on the volume of their teams and personal sales are rewarded with one-time bonuses. Monthly leadership pools. A percentage of the company's monthly revenue is allocated to a pool, which is shared among top-performing leaders based on their team's overall performance. Reward and incentive program. Annual performance bonuses. Reward top performers annually based on their cumulative sales volume and team growth. Special incentives include non-cash rewards such as international trips, luxury cars, or electronic gadgets for extraordinary achievements. Distributor support and training. Training programs provide comprehensive training on products and sales techniques. Regular webinars and workshops should be available to enhance skills and product knowledge. Marketing tools offer professional marketing materials, both digital and print, to help distributors promote products effectively. Operational and financial management. Software and technology. Invest in reliable MLM software that can handle complex calculations for commissions, bonuses, and other rewards. This system should also provide real-time sales and income reports to distributors. Compliance and ethics. Ensure the business model complies with MLM laws and regulations. Maintain ethical marketing and sales practices to build trust and long-term relationships. Cap on earnings. Maximum payout cap. Implement a cap on weekly or monthly earnings to maintain financial stability. This ensures the company can sustain payouts even during rapid growth phases. Conclusion. This binary MLM plan is structured to drive sales through competitive commissions, foster team development with matching and leadership bonuses, and reward outstanding performance with both cash and non-cash incentives. The aim is to create a dynamic and attractive business environment that promotes growth while ensuring the company's profitability and sustainability.